What's the meaning of arranger? Arranger. Arranger.
Arranger. Arranger. An arranger is someone who adapts a musical composition for performance by a particular group of musicians or singers. They may alter the key, tempo, instrumentation, or structure of the piece to suit the needs and abilities of the performers. The goal is to create a unique arrangement that showcases the strengths of the ensemble while remaining faithful to the original composition. A skilled arranger can add a fresh perspective and new life to familiar music, making it more interesting and engaging for audiences.